Guys, what we have back here is the old Scott County Jail. It's been here for over 100 years. It looks like a medieval castle. And you can see that right now, that's what it's built on, like a medieval castle. I spent the night here one time about 25 years ago, and that cell right over there, I think that it is. We'll go in here and take a look and take a walk through this old jail. And let me know what you think about it in the comments. Well, if you like the video, give it a big thumbs up. Let's go.
Get it?
Yeah.
So just to clarify, you don't sell this for commercial purposes at all?
YouTube.
Okay, but you don't make any money off of it?
Just whatever, Google ads or whatever.
Okay, alright, that's fine.
Yeah.
So feel free to walk around all 3 levels you have access to.
All right, thank you.
Mm-hmm.
Drunk tank. There's been a lot of people in here in the drunk tank, I would say, over the years. Scott County deputy slain. I remember when that happened. It was actually snowing that night, I remember. I heard it on the police scanner. The whole thing happened when it happened. He was actually shot by another deputy. Homemade knives. Every prison you go to in the county jail has shanks, apparently.
Are all these people from this county?
I think that is former Sheriff Jim Carson. Ronnie Bond. Marion Carson, that was Jim Carson's brother. He was the sheriff here before. He got put in prison for drug trafficking, and then his brother got elected the sheriff a few years later, actually. It's amazing the weapons got smuggled into here. Right here's the elevator that I went up, I remember, when I was brought in. His elevator and up to the second floor. So we'll go up that way right now up the stairs here and see handcuffs. All metal doors, metal stairs. Everything is metal. Trusty Sales and Kitchen. Trustees. This is where they let the ones that was, they'll get it on work duty and things like that. It's over here in this cell. There's the bathroom. You see the shower, the commode, and the sink behind the commode. So I think they had 4 cots in this room here. Prisoner shot, officer badly injured, and escape attempt. There's the view out the window. They head over here in the trustees ward. Washroom. It's a little darker in here, so maybe the video will turn out okay. If FBI arrests sheriffs and judges. A lot of corruption, guys. A lot of corruption over the year. And there is Murray and Carson again going to jail. Vehicles demolished in roadblock collision. So they had the roadblock and someone tried to run the roadblock, you can see here. Here's the view from this side. And shower, commode, sink. And this cell right here, guys, this is the one that I was in when I was here, this cell right here. I remember it being bigger than this actually, but here's the cell I was in. I spent the night in this cell right here for aggravated assault actually. All the showers are pretty much the same. At least you have privacy to go use the bathroom. It's not right in the open. The shower, sink, commode. Lots of murder in this county over the years. Don't know what that is exactly. This was the kitchen where the food was prepared, you can see. Nothing special, nothing fancy. Yeah, that cell right there is where I spent the night. Maximum security. The third floor. I remember the night I was in here, I could hear these people up here in maximum security. They had a big fight break out up here in one of these cells. Imagine sitting there looking outside and they couldn't go outside. And know you're in maximum security. If you're going to be going out, probably to the state pen for 15, 20 years or more. There's the shower. You can see it's open. And here the bathroom is open too. Your sink is open. Got a little wall around it, but it's still open. No privacy. And it's a smaller cell also. So you had up here, you had 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's one little cell here. Another open shower up here. Cell, prison cell. In the state prison with 2 bunks. And the commode, the sink, and the open right there. So you can hear another guy. You have them take a dump right there, pee right there, everything right there, right in front of each other. And the shower right here. Other side the same way, you have 2 bunks. And the commode and everything right here. Bars. is tight through here, man. Right through here. The guards, I had to walk through here. You can see there was a space between where the cells were, though, actually, because the cells were on back there. And you had this space here. These are maximum security cells, like I said.